Spot, stop, Scott. Scott, stop, spot. Spill, still, skill. Skill, still, spill. Spy, stay, sky. Sky, stay, spy. Speaker, sticker, skater. Skater, sticker, speaker. Spoon, stone, scope. Scope, stone, spoon. Spoon, stone, scope. Scope, stone, spoon. First of all, you have to know why we will learn this. Because we want to improve our pronunciation. We wanna pronounce like native speakers. That's why we'll practice it again and again, and you have to practice at home at least 1 hour. Spot, stop, Scott. Spot, stop, Scott. Scott, stop, spot. Spot, stop, Scott. Scott, stop, spot. Spill, still, skill, still, spill. Spy, stay, sky, stay, spy. Speaker, sticker, skater. Speaker, sticker, skater, skater, sticker, speaker. Speaker, sticker, skater, skater, sticker, speaker. Spoon, stone, scope, stone, spoon. Okay. Have you noticed previous class when we learned spirited sound? Pan, tan, can, tan, pen. That time we pronounce loudly. We can feel a airflow. But now we can't feel any airflow. Why? When you will get S before P, T, C, K, Q sound, that time you will pronounce non-aspirated sound. That time you won't feel any airflow. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Spot, stop, Scott. Scott, stop, spot. Spill, still, skill. Skill, still, spill. Spy, stay, sky. Sky, stay, spy. Speaker, sticker, skater. Skater, sticker, speaker. Spoon, stone, scope. Scope, stone, spoon. Spoon, stone, scope. Scope, stone, spoon. Are you clear about this lesson?
Yes, sir.
Okay, best of luck.